Today we're going to talk about how to remove old-fashioned windshield moldings. Most clips look something like this, and it clips or snaps onto the car like on a little nail head right here, and then it clips or snaps onto the trim right here. So this is what it would look like on the vehicle, and then the trim would just snap on to that clip. To get it off, you'd have to pry the clip away from the trim and then pop the trim off. Here's a couple different style tools you can use to pry that clip away from the molding. This can be a pretty tough job if there's adhesive or it's real dirty or rusty and you can't get to the clip. But the idea is to take this tool and get under there and keep going until you find that clip. So smooth, 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 and then you run into something, and that's probably the clip. So you put a little upwards pressure on that, pry that clip away. And there, that came undone. And then to get the rest off, we'll have to move to here. And you can see how dirty that is. To remove the clips, you can use the same tool, and if you're afraid of breaking the windshield, you use a piece of plastic and you're just going to pry up and wiggle that guy out of there. They do sell these clips, so it's a good idea to get new ones when you put the trim back on. Here's a close-up shot of those little nail head looking things the clips snap onto. And a close-up with the clip installed. It's good to be careful because once you bend this type of trim, it's pretty unlikely you'll be able to fix it or get it to look the same. I hope you enjoyed this short video on windshield trim removal. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.